Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you are all doing well. Before we proceed, there is a giveaway happening on my channel, so don't miss out the chance. Today, we have the mustache from Hot Wheels. This is a cool Hot Wheels car, features a playful twist. It's like a regular car but with fun surprise. So let's dive into the detail of this unique miniature diecast car. The scale is 1:64. Do you know who the designer of the mustache was? It was Craig Callum. We will get back to that designer later. Today, I have here the Hot Wheel car, and the card looks really cool with the awesome decals on it, and was released in 2024. The back of the card contains information about it. I have unboxed before, so here is the diecast car. The body color is maroon, has a tempo on the sides. It has an incredible mustache special number 43 and the faulty free. The base color is black, made of sturdy plastic. Interior color is chrome, and mustache color is gray. Now that's a quirky twist for the miniature ride is it has a unique feature, which is a removable mock mustache. So now let's talk about the designer, the Craig Callum. A British Hot Wheel designer, has been creating the cool miniature cars since November 2022. One of his standout designs is the Hot Wheel mustache. It is his debut masterpiece, a hot rod with a removable mock mustache. Now let's explore some of his other designs. The birthday burners. Detail remain mystery for now. There is also Pontiac Aztec Custom, the Porsche 911 Carrera, and the Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint from 1966. Craig's creativity and passion continue to shape the world of miniature cars. It's a delightful for the collectors and the enthusiasts. For more details about the Craig Callum, check out the Hot Wheels wiki page and stay tuned for his exciting future designs. Thanks for tuning in. For more wonderful videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.